I took along an experienced team of 4. Photographer Pete McBride and I have worked and traveled together for several years. No one I know enjoys life more. Videographer John Armstrong has been filming from the seat of a kayak for a couple decades. Not always the easiest assignment. Outdoor educator Willie Williams is responsible for making sure we don't run out of food and don't get lost. And whitewater kayak expert Alex Nix promises to complain only every other day about these big, slow boats of ours. Our adventure begins on the far side of Rangiroa, the second largest coral reef atoll in the world, its lagoon 20 miles by 40 miles.
Bon, we see you next week. Okay. Okay, merci, Hugo.
You have matches, with this you can survive.
We'll spend a week exploring the interior of the atoll, moving from Motu to Motu, working the kinks out of our traveling system before moving out onto the wilder ocean.
Champagne of the two Motus, huh?
The economy here is simple and largely unchanged these past 1,000 years. Fishing remains a primary source of both food and cash. Gerard will take a dozen big mahi-mahi this day, which he'll sell on his island of Fakarava, or to the once-a-month cargo boat that will deliver them to markets in Tahiti.